Paulina, can you tell me what you're doing?
I paint the bird.
You're painting the bird. Okay, what color is your bird?
Blue and white.
Blue and white. Paulina, and what about you? What are you doing? Annie? Are you decorating the birds?
Yes.
Yes, all right. So, Vera, can you show me your bird, please? Here it is. Are you done? Are you finished?
No finish.
Not finished yet. Okay. Do you have eyes?
Blue.
Blue eyes. Okay. Jenny, what about your bird?
White.
Blue and white. Yes, okay. Are you going to put anything into the bird's mouth? Don't know yet? Don't know. Okay. Can you look over there at that bird? What is in its mouth?
A berry.
A berry, yes, some berries. Pauline, is your bird going to have berries in its mouth?
I don't know.
Don't know yet. Okay. Alessia, can you show me your bird? Hi.
My bird.
This is your bird. Oh, it's a beautiful color. What color is it?
It's purple.
How did you make purple?
I
took.
took red and blue and white.
And what did you do with it?
Mix.
Mixed it and got purple. Veta, you also have purple, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, did you do the same? Did you mix the paint?
Yes.
Yes. Is your bird ready? Is it finished?
No.
No. What are you going to do next?
And me no.
A nose. And you're not finished. Tasya, can you tell me about your bird, please? Where is your bird? Show me, where is it? This is your bird. Tell me about it. It's
a pink,
mm-hmm.
a blue,
Yeah.
and green, and a yellow.
Tasya, what is green? Is a body green or what? What is this green? Or it's a head?
Head.
It's a head. Yes. And where is the eye?
No.
No eye yet. Yes, you're going to make the eye. What color will be your eye?
Blue.
Blue eye. Right. Dasha, show me what you are doing. Dash? What is it? Say, I'm painting.
I'm painting.
Painting a rabbit.
Yes.
Is this a rabbit? Or a butterfly?
Bird.
A bird, yes. Dasha, say, I'm painting a bird.
Painting a bird. Pink,
Mm-hmm.
blue, and green.
Green. Right. Okay. What are you doing now? What is all this? Mixing. Yes?
Mix.
Mixing the paint. Cool. Vika, tell me about your bird, please. Hmm?
Pink,
Mm-hmm.
blue, green, and yellow, and
Yes, okay. Can your bird fly? Yes. Vika, tell me, is it a Christmas tree decoration or what is it?
I know.
I don't know. Okay. Christina, show me what you have. What's this?
But
It's a bird. Say, it's
it's a bird.
it's a bird. What color is its nose?
Red.
So it has
It has
a red.
no.
Good job. Okay. What about the tail, Christine?
It's
It has a blue tail. Very good. Okay. Do you like it here, girls?
yes.
Yes. Okay, it's fun. This is where we are now. Look. It's really amazing. And Dinara is our helper today. Yes, Vika? What is this? Oh, you need a new one. Ask Dinara for help.